have an essential topic to discuss. It is personal protective equipment, or we can call it as PPE. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Nur Alia binti Azhar. My matric number is TPC 09220166. And in this video, we are going to dive deep into what is PPE and why it's matter, not just at work, but in our everyday lives. So if you guys ready, let's get started. First thing first, what exactly is PPE? PPE refers to protective clothing for the eyes, head, ear, hands, respiratory system, body and feet. It includes gear such as helmet, safety glasses, gloves, masks, and more. The idea behind PPE is simple. Reduce the risk of injury or exposure to health risk by creating a barrier between you and potential hazard. So I will pass to the next person.
Hi, my name is Anwarkis binti Mak Yasim. My matric number is DPC 09220143. Okay, so my part is the importance of personal protective equipment. The importance of personal protective equipment is to prevent occupational injuries, illnesses, and fatalities. But some business combine it with other control measures to ensure a safe and healthy environment for their workers. Here are some benefits of personal protective equipment. The number one is to prevent unnecessary injury in the workplace. The second one is to protect employers from excessive chemical exposure. And the last one is the importance of employer productivity and efficiency. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Fatin Hanani binti Sulaiman and my matric number is TPC 09220150. So, I will talk about the types of personal protective equipment. The first one is eye and face protection. The example for eye and face protection is safety glass and goggles. Safety glass or goggles are essentials for shielding the eyes from impact, dust, and flying debris. Number 2 is face shields. Face shields provide comprehensive protection for the face, including the eyes. They are typically used in environments with a higher risk of splashes, splattering liquids, or hazardous chemicals. Number 3, welding helmets. Welders require specialized face protection in the form of welding helmets with dark UV-resistant lens. These helmets protect the eyes and face from the intense light and sparks generated during welding process. Number 4 is chemical splash goggle. They are designed to prevent the entry of liquids and chemicals into the eyes and provide a secure seal around the eyes. The next type of PPE is respiratory protection. Number 1, air purifying respirators. It uses filters, cartridges, or canister to remove gas, vapors, aerosols, or a combination of contaminants from the air. Number 2, atmosphere supplying respirators. It provides clean breathing air from a separate source. These respirators protect workers from many types of airborne contaminants like particles, gas, and vapors, and in certain cases, oxygen-deficient atmospheres. Each respirator type provides a different level of protection based on its design. Therefore, it's important to choose the right type of respirator for the specific exposure. For example, you need to identify all respiratory hazards in your environment and the amount of exposure.
Hi, my name is Shafika binti Wahid, DPC 09220206. Next is skin and body protection. Skin and body protection includes the following 6 categories to protect employees from physical hazards. First is heat protection. Second is body protection. Third is hand protection. 4 is foot protection. 5 is fall protection. The last one is hearing protection. Heat protection include hard hats and heat dress and should be required for tasks that can cause any force or object falling to the heat. Safety tips: choose appropriate cleaning agents as it can weaken the shell of hard hats and may eliminate electrical resistance. Body protection includes safety vests and suit that can be used for tasks that can cause body injuries from extreme temperatures, flames and sparks, toxic chemicals, insect bites and radiation. Safety tips: ensure that they are clean and free from cuts and burns. Always get a good fit to ensure full body protection. Next is hand protection. Hand protection includes safety gloves and should be used for tasks that can cause hand and skin burns, absorption of harmful substance, cuts, fractures, or amputation. Safety tips: ensure hand protection fits perfectly with no space and is free from cuts, burns, and chemical residue. Number 4 is foot protection. Foot protection includes knee pads and safety boots and should be used for tasks that can cause serious foot and leg injuries from falling or rolling objects, hot substance, electrical hazards, and slippery surface. For the safety tips, ensure boots have slip resistance, soles that can protect against compression and impact. Number 5 is fall protection. Fall protection includes safety harnesses and layers and should be strictly used for tasks that can cause falling from heights and serious injury or death. For the safety tip, ensure that the straps are free from tears, deformities, and burn marks. And the last one is hearing protection. Hearing protection includes ear muff and plugs and should be used for tasks that can cause hearing problems and loss of hearing. For the safety tips is ensure the equipment fit the ear canal perfectly, and it is recommended to use formable earplugs to fit different sizes of ear canals.
My name is Nur Ain Binti Sabran and my metric number is DPC 09220189. Lastly, I will talk about the tips of proper use in PPE. First, you can ensure the choice of gown size is appropriate to your body size. Second, select the proper eye protection such as a face shield or goggles. Third, wear gloves which should cover the curved wrist of the gown. Fourth, perform a user seal to check each time you wear a respirator. Fifth, face mask tie should be secured on the crown of the head top tie and the base of the neck bottom tie. If the face mask has a loop, hook them appropriately around the ears. Ensure glove removal does not cause additional contamination of hand. You can remove it using the glove in glove or bird beak technique. And the last one is you must always perform hand hygiene after removing the gown. That's all from us. Thank you.